Question number 5 says that in this question you have to find the value of division of the parts given in the question. Clear? So what we are going to do, first we will change the sign and then do the reciprocal of the second part. For example, it will be 7 and then division 3.5 can be written as 35 over 10. Now what we will do, we will change the sign as multiplication. So multiply and reciprocal of 35 and 10 will gives you 10 over 35, right? So we will write on doing the reciprocal of 35 by 10, as we have already discussed about the reciprocals and all. So if you know, this is multiplicative inverse, so writing 10 over 35. As you can see, 7 5 times is 35, so we can reduce, and 5 2 times is 10. So in this way we can reduce, or you can easily multiply and solve then. So the final answer will be 2. Understood? Now moving to the second part. In second part we have to divide 0.2 by 36. So 36 and then division sign. 0.2 can be written as 2 over 10. And then what we will do, we will copy as it is the first part, division sign change to multiplication, then the reciprocal will be 10 over 2. Clear? It will be 18. Now multiplying the numerator, we will get 180 as your final result. In this way we will do this part. Now moving to the third part. In third part, as you can see, both the numbers are given in the decimal. So first we are going to change it. 3.25 can be written as 325 over 100, as there are 2 digits after decimal. Division 0.5 as 5 over 10. Now changing the division sign, it will be multiply and we will flip the second part, right? So as you know, whenever we divide any two decimals, what we mostly do, we change the division sign into multiplication sign and just flip the second part. This is the way to solve any of the division of decimals. I think so you have understood till now that what we are going to do, just we will change the division sign and flip over the second part. So 325 over 100 and multiplication sign 10 over 5, right? So if you will see, 10 0 times will be cancelled out by 0 and 5 will be cancelled out by 325 by 65 times. So in numerator we have 65 and in denominator we have 10. So 6.5 can easily be your answer, right? Moving to this part, there it is given that 30.94 divided by 0.7. So what we can do, 30.94 can be written as 3094 over 100 and then division sign 7 over 10. Division sign can be changed by multiplication sign, so writing the same multiplication sign 10 over 7 as we are flipping the second part, right? 0 will be cancelled out by 10 of 100. Now if you will see, 3094 is a factor of 7 or not, you have to check. If we will do that, we will get 442, that is divided by 10. 44.2 will be your final result. Okay, in this way we will do fourth part of fifth question. In fifth part, by converting decimal into fraction, what we will do, we can write 5 over 10 and then division sign 25 over 100. Clear? Now what we are going to do, 5 over 10 multiply by 100 over 25, as we are doing the reciprocal. As you can see, 0 can be cancelled out by 0 and 5 times 5 is 25, right? So what we can write, we can write 10 over 5, that is 2, is your final result. In this part, converting 775 over 100 and division, then 0.25 can be written as 25 over 100, right? So now first part we will write as it is, that is will be 775 over 100, then changing the division sign into multiplication, that will give you 100 over 25 on flipping. 100 will be directly cancelled out by 100 as it is there at the cross side. Then if you will divide 775 by 25, what you will get? Try. Yes, you will get your final result as 31. Understood? Now coming to the seventh part. In this part we are going to do the same thing. First we will convert the decimal, that will get 765 over 10, then division sign, and then 0.15 can be written as 15 over 100. Now writing the same part, 765 over 10, division sign will be converted into multiplication, then 100 over 15. Clear? Now 0 will be cancelled out by 0. In numerator we have 7650 by 15, and when you will divide it, you will get 510 as your final result. Try this. Now question number 8. Doing the same thing. I think so till now you have understood. We will write 378 over 10 divided by 14 over 10, as there is one digit after decimal. So it will be 378 over 10, and changing the division sign into multiplication. So writing multiplication and flipping the second part, or we will take the reciprocal, it will give 10 over 14. 10 will be directly cancelled by 10, and instead of writing the numerator and denominator, we are directly dividing 378 by 14. So our final result will be 27. Clear? Moving to the last part. In this part it is given that 2.73, which can be written as 273 over 100. Now doing division sign, changing into multiplication sign, and 1.3 can be written as 13 over 10. Doing the reciprocal of it, we will get 10 over 13. And on simplification, by dividing 273 by 130, we will get 2.1 as our result.